Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the YouTube picture-in-picture problem on Android devices. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option, then tap on search bar, search for YouTube. Tap on YouTube and again tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, then tap on storage, tap on clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, back, and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First camera allow back, second contacts allow back, another location allow back, and microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen, and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to Google Play Store or App Store, tap on search bar, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, and now check update your YouTube app. My YouTube app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and now open your YouTube app, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.